In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro for workshops. Miro is an incredible online collaborative platform that can transform the way you conduct workshops, helping to make them interactive, engaging, and ultimately more successful. To get started on this exciting journey, we first need to navigate to the Miro website. Once you're there, you'll notice the login button in the top right corner of the home page. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have an account, you'll see several options for logging in. Today, we'll use the Google option, which is a quick and secure way to access your account. Simply click on Google and choose the Google account you prefer to connect with. If you don't already have a Miro account, you'll need to create one, which can be easily achieved by following the registration steps highlighted on the website. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Miro dashboard. If you're looking to save time, Miro offers a fantastic feature to explore and utilize pre-existing templates that can perfectly suit the needs of your workshop. On the dashboard's right side, there's an option labeled Explore Templates. Clicking on this will open a treasure trove of well-designed templates from which to choose. In the search bar that appears, type in Workshop to filter the templates specifically created for facilitating workshops. It's an excellent way to see what's available and fits your specific goals or session plan. Miro's variety of templates is designed by experts and caters to various styles and formats. So take a moment to browse through and find the perfect one for your needs. Once you've found a template that resonates with your workshop outline, click on it to view more details. This step allows you to double-check that it includes all the features and frameworks you require. After confirming it's the right choice, simply click on Use Template. This will import the template directly into your workspace, allowing you to start customizing and adding your own content. With the template set up in your workspace, you're all set to start inviting team members or participants to join, collaborate, and create ideas together. Miro's intuitive drag-and-drop interface ensures that everyone, regardless of technical skill level, can participate efficiently and effectively. Congratulations! You've now successfully set up your first Miro workshop. Utilizing these steps will not only enhance your workshops, but also streamline the preparation process, making your sessions more efficient and impactful. Thank you for joining today, and don't forget to explore Miro's other features that can further enhance your collaborative efforts.